Hey kids, JD here. Today we're making something called Dal Shorba, which is a lentil soup. I've never tried this before, have no idea how it's going to turn out, but we have our pressure cooker handy, we're going to do it. Before we get started, please subscribe. More videos like this will be coming every week. Let's do it. Ordinarily, I would take a bunch of pictures or videos and show you step by step how this is made. However, in this case, I kind of forgot to take all the pictures. So, here's an ingredient list. Take 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 chopped green chili. Those would be the Thai chilies that you can get in Asian stores. Closest thing you can get. 1/4 cup of lentils. I use split mung dal, but you can use whatever you like. And 2 cups of water or vegetable stock. Combine all of these, cook on high for 5 minutes. It may spill over a little bit, so you might want to have some paper towels around just to make sure that it stays tidy. And that's it. Back to you, JD. Okay, nothing left to do but try. So here it is. Let me scoop a little of this out here. See, all the lentils are about done, which is good. So, Dal Shorba. It's pretty good. Obviously, the stock has a certain flavor to it, which is most of what you get. Lentils themselves are pretty plain, but they're lentils. What do you want? Little bits of pepper, little heat from the pepper, little garam masala. So everything is there a little bit. Although I think I might add the ginger garlic paste a little later. Most of it was on the top of the pressure cooker, so it didn't actually stay in the mix. I had to kind of scrape it and put it back in. Yeah, definitely a quick, easy thing to do. Anyone, if you have the ingredients and you can follow simple directions, you don't even need to pressure cook this. You could literally just cook it on a range, stovetop. Just let it boil, simmer, whatever, till the lentils are done. The whole thing's done at that point. So yeah, very good. Very much recommended. Okay, that's it for this video. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment below. If you don't like, go ahead and hit the like button away. Show what a great human being you are. There'll be a link to subscribe, a link for a playlist full of videos just like this, and a link for my most recent video. Once again, I'm JD Tremaine. Thanks for watching. See you soon.